Here's that close up. So you start with it dangling, get it underneath, wrap it around, and you see it's got three times around. Depending on the length of it, it might be more or less. And now I put my hand over top. So basically the strap is going under, my hand goes over, and between the two it just makes for a nice hold on the bar. Now I'm going to do the other side, the same. Find the right position. And then you see I ended up over here, which is not lined up. It's further down the knurling than on this side. So now I'm just going to rotate it back there, and I get my position, and now I'm ready to lift.